My name is Alex and it's my third day to searching gold, and let's see. I don't have any idea what is this, but let me show you. I will clean this, then I will check what is here actually. It's showing like it's something special here. It's just very heavy. It's hard for me. Look, this is too much heavy. But I don't know what is this. Look, I think it's just an umbrella base. I think. Look. I think it's an umbrella base. So I'm not going to do anything with this. It's just a base of umbrella, nothing else. Okay, bye. So meet you with another video, and for the more videos you can just like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.